lovely people of Instagram. My name is Amber. I'm from Nassau English School in London, and today I'm going to do an English class for you. I hope you're all well in Brazil and that you are ready to learn today. So as always, when I do these classes, if you have any comments, any questions, or anything really that you want to say, please feel free to put it in the comments below. Okay, I'm super excited to be here today. I have a great class for you, and I think it's going to be really helpful for helping you to sound more like a native speaker, to sound more fluent, and to correct maybe some bad habits that you might have. Okay, so today it is a beautiful day, the perfect time for an English class in my opinion. So today's class we're going to be looking at one particular grammar point that Brazilian students often make mistakes with. The reason that you guys will make mistakes with this most likely is because of the influence of your mother tongue, the influence of Portuguese on your English. So we'll have a look at some examples. So keep in mind that we're looking at English grammar. When I teach Brazilian students normally on this topic, I say all the time, remember, English, not Brazilian English. Okay, so we're going to have a look now at this perfect way to make you sound more native and less Brazilian when speaking English. So I'm going to share my screen with you now, so you should be able to see everything that I can see. Okay, so what I have here are things to stop saying. Stop saying this. So the sentences I have are, she is the friend of my sister, and they are the children of Tom. These are two sentences that are grammatically incorrect. Okay, we do not say this in English. You're probably thinking, it's okay. I understand this is how I would say it in Portuguese. Okay, please stop saying these expressions. Okay, why? What's the problem? I will explain. So what we need to use instead is the possessive S. Okay, if you look at the sentence below, we do not say she is the friend of my sister. This is very confusing for English speakers, very confusing for me. What we would say is she is my sister's friend. Okay, notice the stress on the sister. You need to pronounce this plural S. She is my sister's friend. Okay, the possessive S. I have another example for you. Okay, this is what I said before. Stop saying they are the children of Tom. Okay, this is not okay. We can't say this in English. We need to say they are Tom's children. They are Tom's children. Okay, so this is what we are going to fix today in today's class. Okay, so let's have a look at some rules as to how we use this and why we use this. So rule 1, okay? So with single nouns, we use the apostrophe and S, okay? The apostrophe and S. For example, my brother's room or Mr. Brown's house, okay? These are single nouns. We add the apostrophe and the S, okay? So some examples we have then are don't step on the cat's tail. Don't step on the cat's tail. Notice the cat's apostrophe S. The other examples are Sophie's phone doesn't work. Sophie's phone doesn't work. And Megan's hair is very long. Okay, 3 examples using this possessive S. The cat's tail, Sophie's phone, and Megan's hair. Okay, notice you do need to pronounce that S sound, the additional S. Okay, so this is rule 1 for you. Okay, rule 2, this is looking at plural nouns. So with plural nouns ending in an S, put the apostrophe, the symbol, at the end of the word. Okay, so we have the example here, my sister's bedroom. My sister's bedroom. This means maybe we have 3 sisters and they all have the same bedroom. Okay, plural sisters, and we're talking about their bedroom. My sister's bedroom. Okay, we have some more examples. I have some more examples for you. Okay, so another example is on Saturday, I'm going to my friend's party. Okay, see here you have the S and then the apostrophe. Okay, this means we have multiple friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 friends, and they are having a party. Okay, we also have, I'm going to the Brown's house for dinner. I'm going to the Brown's house for dinner. Okay, this maybe needs to be explained. In the UK, in English-speaking countries, sorry, our family name is usually the same for everyone in the household. It is traditional that when a man and a woman gets married, they would take the man's family name. And then all of the children, if they have children, will take the father's name. So we can talk about the household as the same family name. I know that this is culturally different and is not the same outside English-speaking countries. So we're talking about the family, the Browns family. Okay, so it's a plural collective group of people. So I'm going to the Browns' house, the Browns' house for dinner. I'm going to the Browns' house for dinner. Okay, so this is with your plural noun. You add the apostrophe at the end. Okay, moving on for rule number 3. If a plural noun doesn't end in an S, we use the apostrophe S. Okay, so this is very similar to rule 1, but it was still talking about plural nouns. So for example, the women's bathroom. Women is plural, singular is woman, 1 woman, 2 women. So it's a plural noun and we're talking about the bathroom. The women's bathroom. Okay, the women's bathroom. Let's have a look at some more examples. So we have the children's toys, the children's toys, and the teacher's room. The teacher's room. Okay, if you have in any school, if you've studied English in the UK or from your own school experiences, you have the classrooms and there's normally a place for the teachers to go. This is the teacher's room. Okay, let's move on to the next rule then. Rule number 4. So you can use an apostrophe S with more than one noun. So for example, we have Jim and Lucy's house. Okay, we only add the S, the possessive S on the second. Jim and Lucy's house and Tom and Sophie's dog. We have 2 nouns, but we only use the possessive S on the second one or the final one. Okay, and the next rule then, rule 5, we can use this S, the possessive S, with time words. The examples we have here are where is yesterday's newspaper, where is yesterday's newspaper, and tomorrow's class has been cancelled. Tomorrow's class has been cancelled. Okay, make sure you're listening for the emphasis on that S sound. It's really important that you can hear this and you can produce it. So we have where is yesterday's newspaper and tomorrow's class has been cancelled. Okay, this is rule number 5. Rule number 6 is we can use this, instead of using the possessive S, when we are talking about things and ideas, we do use of. Okay, we use the possessive S normally for people or for animals, and we can use of for things and ideas. So the examples I have are the temperature of water and the owner of the restaurant is not here. Okay, we've used of here to talk about things or ideas. Okay, moving on. Okay, so they are all of our rules. 6 very, very easy rules on how and when to use this possessive S. What we're going to do now is test that knowledge. I have a quiz for you that will help you practice this and to see if you have understood it. Okay, I have lots of comments coming through. I'm just having a look now. It's so lovely to see lots of you joining in and answering. Okay, so for the quiz, I have given you a sentence or a question, and there is a mistake. There is a problem with this sentence. What I want you to do is to, in the comments, send me the correct sentence. Okay, this is looking at the possessive S. So for example, this one is this the umbrella of your husband? Is this the umbrella of your husband? This is not correct. This is grammatically incorrect. Please send me the correct answer. I'll have a look at them and we'll go through them together at the end. Okay, so why is this incorrect? Okay, why is this incorrect? Okay, the sentence is this the umbrella of your husband? Is this the umbrella of your husband? Why can we not say this in English? Okay, let's have a look at the next one. I've never met the daughter of Mary. I've never met the daughter of Mary. Okay, I've never met the daughter of Mary. What's the problem with this? Why can't we say this? Okay, please send me the answer in the comments. What is the correct way to say this sentence? Okay, I've never met the daughter of Mary. I've never met the daughter of Mary. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Okay, the next one is I couldn't go to the party of Daisy. I couldn't go to the party of Daisy. This is similar to the rest. There is still a problem with this sentence. We cannot say this in English. Maybe you can say it in Portuguese, but we do not say it in English. What is wrong with this sentence and what can you do to make it correct? Okay, so the sentence is, I couldn't go to the party of Daisy. I couldn't go to the party of Daisy. What's wrong with this? I can see some of you are getting it correct. Well done if you are playing along at home and practicing this skill. Let's have a look at the next one. I think we have 3 more. Okay, the men's football team practice every Tuesday. The men's football team practice every Tuesday. Pay extra attention to this. There is a problem with this sentence, but it maybe is a little bit difficult to see. It's a small problem, but a very important thing to correct. What is wrong with this sentence? The men's football team practice every Tuesday. The men's football team practice every Tuesday. What's wrong with it? Send me a comment now and we'll have a look together. Okay, this is a small problem, but it's important that we fix it. Small problem, but it's important to fix it. Okay, moving on then. Okay, write your name at the page's top. Write your name at the page's top. Okay, maybe you'll hear the correct expression in your English classes. When you have completed a piece of work, your teacher may say the correct version if they want your name on the paper. Okay, the wrong sentence, the incorrect sentence is write your name at the page's top. This is incorrect. Please send me the correct sentence. Okay, what is it? And I think we have just one more left. Okay, this is the final one. The storm of last week caused a lot of damage. The storm of last week caused a lot of damage. This is a very standard expression from Brazilian students. Okay, Portuguese speakers think this is okay, but in English we cannot say this. It doesn't work. It doesn't make sense. Okay, give me the correct sentence, please. I'm going to just give you a few seconds to finish and we will have a look at the answers together. Well done guys to everyone who's playing along at home. I can see lots of fantastic answers coming through. Okay, let's have a look. So number 1, the correct sentence is this your husband's umbrella? Is this your husband's umbrella? We have that possessive S, husband's umbrella. Okay, well done if you got this correct. The next one, the original sentence was I've never met the daughter of Mary. I've never met the daughter of Mary. This was incorrect. What you needed to say is I've never met Mary's daughter. I've never met Mary's daughter. Okay, well done. This one I think was easier, but well done if you got it correct. Okay, the next one was I couldn't go to the party of Daisy. We said that we cannot use this expression in English. What you need to say is I couldn't go to Daisy's party. Okay, I couldn't go to Daisy's party. Remember that S sound is important to pronounce. Sometimes students don't say it when they read it. I couldn't go to Daisy's party. Let's have a look at the next one. Okay, this is the one that I said was small but significant. The problem was small but important to correct. So what you are looking for here is the apostrophe on men's. The men's football team practice every Tuesday. To speak, it sounds the same, but you must add the apostrophe. Okay, this is a plural noun. 1 man, 2 men, 3 men, 4 men. Okay, so you do need that apostrophe. The men's football team practice every Tuesday. Well done if you got that right. This one was extra difficult. Okay, moving on. Write your name at the page's top. This is incorrect. What you should say is write your name at the top of the page. Write your name at the top of the page. Okay, we said that we use the possessive S, the apostrophe S, for people and for animals mainly. So this we can use of. Write your name at the top of the page. Okay, I hope that you are following. I can see lots of you did get this one correct, so well done. And then the final one was this. So the wrong sentence was the storm of last week caused a lot of damage. What we want to say and what we should say is last week's storm caused a lot of damage. Last week's storm caused a lot of damage. This is the correct sentence. Okay. And that, guys, is today's class. I hope that you have enjoyed today's class and that you have now learned something new. And no matter what your English level is, if you are a beginner or an elementary student to an advanced student, you can now stop making this small but very, very easy mistake to fix. Okay. If you have any questions, please send them through, and thank you so much for joining. If you are interested and enjoy my lessons, please check out NOUNS English School Instagram, and I upload more videos on there throughout the week. Thank you very much for following, and I will see you again soon. Goodbye.